So, I just got this radio from Amazon. It's nothing spectacular. It is a double din, which is far, far better than the stock radio that's down there. And so I temporarily hooked up just the main three wires to get the radio running. The yellow for power, I believe. I forget what the red is for, and the black is obviously the ground. And I hooked up these that speaker to the harness temporarily. Already? Hopefully I got this right. I was just connecting the Bluetooth from, this is just an old phone that I've used strictly for music. I use it as has my playlist on it. But this is literally all I've listened to for like a long time. I don't watch much TV or even listen to radio stations. But this is not very loud. Even in a truck, it's not very loud. So it's nice to finally, get a radio and speakers connecting, all that, so you can actually hear the music while you're driving and enjoy it. But I'm gonna have to physically mount this center console. I got it at the junkyard from, I forget what vehicle. It might have been some type of Nissan. I just don't recall which one. And I knew I wanted a double din, and without any real fabrication, you'd have to cut all this up to fit something that size in there, and I don't want to do that. I would rather have the radio kind of right there. You don't have to fabricate a bracket for it and all that. Cut a bunch of all this stuff away from the center console and make it all nice and pretty. It's like from here, from my perspective, I can easily reach it. And this sucker came with a little remote for your steering wheel. I guess you mount it in this fashion. That way you can fiddle with it and not have to look down and see what you're doing. Also has the wiring and the harness and all that for a camera that you put in the back of your vehicle for when you're reversing. And it'll show up on your phone as well. But I gotta mount all that as well. So I just wanted to share that tiny little bit of an update. Finally working on getting the radio and the speakers on. But I'm not gonna mount the speakers on the door, because I'm eventually gonna make my own door cards and just keep it all, solid, other than the handles and the window cranks and stuff like that. But I don't want speakers there. They're just annoying. There's so many holes already there from the previous owner having mounted several speakers on there, and there's just too many holes there. So I just gotta find out a better spot somewhere in the truck to mount, because I have 4 of these little basic speakers, but they're more than enough for what I'm needing. But yeah, just wanted to share that little bit of an update, and I'll see you.